What's up, everybody? This is Dwayna, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you for joining us. If you're new, thank you for coming back. If you're an old friend, today we are going to do something that I have never attempted before, but I did it because I was asked to do it by one of my ride or dies. So I'm going to be doing 4 looks, 1 palette. Okay, and I'll be using the NYX Modern Dreamer palette to do it. I'll give you a little bit more information about this palette after the break. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, we are going to be using the NYX Modern Dreamer palette for the 4 looks. It is mixed with eyeshadows and pressed pigments, and then we also have these glitters, and some of them are like conventional shimmers and some of them are actually like glitters. It was really important to me to pick a palette that was accessible to everyone. Like, you can buy this on Ulta.com. They were 30% off on Ulta last week, and so I actually went in the store to get it from Ulta, and it was not on sale in the store, so I paid for it online, and I said I'm gonna pick it up at the store so I could get the discount, because I don't play that. If you're gonna have it on sale, you're gonna have it on sale, and I'm gonna get the sale price, okay? Anyway, back to what I was saying. I wanted to get a palette that was accessible and a palette that had a lot of colors, a lot of shades, and I did not want to use Morphe because we don't use Morphe in this house. If you already have shades similar to these in your collection, you can just pull them out and use them to follow along. But if you have this palette, it's really easy because it is something that, you know, everything is just right here. The only thing about this palette is that it doesn't have a black. Like, how do you not have a black shade? Like, black is scary, but black is necessary. So black eyeshadows, not black people. Black people are awesome. I just had to put that caveat in there because I don't want nobody to be like, oh, black, blah, blah. No, nobody's taking it out of context. Black eyeshadow is scary to work with, but it is necessary, and I wish I had some black for some of these looks. Anyway, I'm trying to keep intro part 2 short and cute because we got 4 looks to get to, and so we're just gonna switch over to voiceover mode right now, and I'll see you in a few. We're starting this off like we start off most of our demos. One eye is already done, and I'm going to be completing the other eye to look exactly like this. I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shades Porcelain and Caramel as an eyeshadow base. Now we're picking up shade 21 on a fluffy blending brush and running that all the way through our crease. We are also going to take this up to the transition area and into the brow bone. I'm using a mixture of windshield wiper motions and patting motions to get the most payout out of this pigment. I'm now picking up shade number 12 on the same brush, and I'm going to pack it directly into the crease and blend it out into shade number 21. I'm also going to take special care to concentrate this in the outer corner because this is going to be a look that is deeper in the outer corner. Now that that's completed, I'm taking some more of that concealer mixture and halfway cutting the crease. Picking back up shade number 21 and blending that between shade 12 and the concealer. Now I'm picking up shade 5 on a flat shader brush, and I'm going to put that all on the lid. It's important to blend the lid color with the matte in the background in order to make this seamless. To do that, I'm picking up the brush that had 21 on it. I'm not putting any extra pigment. I'm just going back and forth between where they meet so that it can blend very, very well. As you can tell, I'm super happy with this blend. This is the first time I'm using color in so long. Now I'm picking back up shade number 21, and we're running that under the lower lash line so that we can complete this look. Sorry that I'm out of frame here. I wasn't paying attention. And now I'm putting on the Aria Lash by Bakari Cosmetics to finish off the look. And there you have it. Look number 1 is complete. Let's get to look number 2. For look number 2, we're starting off with shade 37. We're going to put that in our transition space. This look is going to be a halo spotlight eye, but please do not be scared of it. I'm going to make it really easy. Next, we're picking up shade 36, and we're going to put that into the crease. We're blending between shades 36 and 37 so that they're darker at the inner and outer corners and light in the center. I'm pausing this part because the next step is optional. You do not have to use any concealer. You can just put the shimmer right here and blend together and you'll be fine. But this is going an extra step. I'm using the same concealer mixture to create a blank canvas in the center of the lid. I'm going back in with shade 37 so that the shimmer will be able to blend easier. Now I'm taking shade 16 and I'm going to put that in the outermost corners and the innermost corners of the eye. Lastly, we're putting shade 25 everywhere you see concealer still and blending it all together. We're going to use a mixture of 36 and 37 to bring underneath the lower lash line and put on the Be Daring Lash by Blushed by Naomi. And we're finished. This is look number 2. Here we are starting look number 3. We're going to be using shade number 16 and putting that in our outer corner and in through our crease. Now we're taking shade 11 and we're using that in the transition area. Don't be afraid to pack on the pigment here. Going back in with shade 16 to darken up the crease and the outer V. Now we're using shade 24 and just slapping that on the lid. It does not matter if it's nice now because we're going to blend it out. We're back in with shade 16 to darken the outer V and the crease even further. This is a look that is all about the blending. We're really just going back and forth until it looks good. Now we're taking shade 24 and we're putting that right up under our lashes for the lower lash line. And we'll blend that out with shade number 11. Finally, we're putting on the Be Daring Lashes by Blushed by Naomi. And that is look 3, all completed. We're starting look 4 with shade number 39. We're going to put that all over the base of the lid closest to the lash line. Pack that pigment on, people. Now we're using shade 21 to blend out shade 39. We're going to pack that into the crease and bring it up through the transition area. This is another look that's going to be heavily blended. We're going to go back and forth with shade 39 and 21 until you get a good blend. You may even have to use a clean brush to blend it correctly so that there is no transfer between the two shades. Next, we're taking shade 30 and we are putting that directly on top of 39 because we're covering up that darker color with the shimmer. We're gonna go back and blend everything out so that there are no harsh lines. We're putting 30 underneath our lash line to smoke it out, then dusting over that with 21. Now we're taking shade 9 and just tapping it on top of the blue. Shade 26 is going in the inner corner for a pop of a highlight. Then we're back with our same lashes, the Be Daring Lash by Blushed by Naomi. And that's it, guys. We did 4 looks. Woo, I can't believe it. Okay, guys, those are my 4 looks. I hope you enjoyed them. They are in order of easiest to most difficult, even though I still tried to keep the most difficult ones. I still tried to keep them at a point where you would still be able to do them regardless of your skill level. It's really all about the blending. As I said in the voiceover for the halo, you do not have to put down any concealer. You can just put the shade, the shimmer shade in the middle. You can even use it with your fingers and just make sure that you blend them in so that it just goes seamlessly. So I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up down below. Tell me which one is your favorite look and which one you'll be trying in the future. Tag me if you try any of these looks so that I can see it, because I like looking at things that I have influenced as an influencer. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and be sure to click the notification bell so that you can be part of the Glam fam. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter so that you guys can like my pictures and laugh at my jokes and all of that stuff. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.